morning student. Today we study science 7th standard science chapter 1 nutrition in plant. It's a part 1 video. So we study the science first chapter nutrition in plant. So what is nutrition? Nutrition andre enta. So can you know about that? ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್? Where did it comes from? What are the uses of nutrition? What they gives to us? ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್? You should know about that. You studied in early classes, right? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The components of food is called as a nutrition. ಎಂತಂದ್ರೆ the components of food is called nutrients. ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಮ್ ರೈಸ್. ಈಗ ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಈಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ದೇ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ದೇ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ the components of food is called as a nutrients. Then what are the components? The food contains components like carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, etc. Innala untante food alli? The food containing various components. What are these? Carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, etc. Protein, etc. So these components are called as nutrients. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? The components of food which are carbohydrate, fat, vitamin are called as a nutrients, right? So other nutrients ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ food ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? Where does it come from? You studied in early classes. Where does it comes from? The plant, right? So plant make food themselves. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಫುಡ್ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, ಯಾರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ? ಅವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಫುಡ್. ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ನೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಫುಡ್. So it depends on plant. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it depends on plant. ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? animals, plant. ಯಾಕೆ? why? Because plant make a food for themselves. So if animal depend on food directly or indirectly, ಹೇಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ they take a food direct from plant like vegetables, fruits. They eat directly. Okay, in other way, indirectly means some animals eat plants or food. Plant make food. Yadu, cows, then bee, etc. So ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ animals like lion, human beings, they ate that animal. Animal ಅನ್ನು eat ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? So they indirectly eat food from which prepared by the plant. So what happened? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂದಾಗ? they gain energy. Why we need energy? We need energy because we have process our life or movement of life, or then we riding in our life in a successful and healthy. ನಮ್ಮ healthy life ಗೋಸ್ಕರ we need food because their food gives us energy. Alva? So plants make food themselves and animal does not make food because it depends on the plant. Next, mode of nutrition. What are the modes? ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ modes nutrition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು? So in beginning, mode of nutrition, plant produce the food ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ plant? Produce food from carbon dioxide, water, minerals. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ಗೇನ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್. ಬೈ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫುಡ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಅವರು? ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿದೌಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಲಿವ್. ಏನಂತೆ? ವಿದೌಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ cannot live. ಹೌದಾ? ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? Yes, of course. Because nutrients is must to our body, and other animals' body. Why? Because they give us energy. So without energy we can't live. We can't move one place to another. We can't do work and we can't do make respite. ನಮಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು, right? How? So these nutrients gives us energy from plant. Then nutrients produced by plants which give us energy. So the energy or nutrients is must to life. Okay? So it is a mode of nutrients. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ mode of nutrients ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What are the modes? First one, organism which makes food themselves is called as a autotrophs. ಏನಂತೆ? The organism which make food for themselves. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Is called as a autotrophs. What are the organisms? ಯಾವ organism make food for themselves? ಯಾವ organism food prepare ಮಾಡೋದು? Which one? The organism which makes food themselves is called autotrophs. Which example is? Plant. Example, plant. Plant never food produce ಮಾಡುದು. So this is called as a plant is called as a autotrophs. Why? Because they make food for themselves. They make a food for themselves. Next, animals and other organisms take food from plant, so it called as a heterotrophs. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Heterotrophs. Okay? So first one ಯಾವುದು? Organism which make food themselves is called autotrophs. Auto means own. Own ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥನಷ್ಟಗೆ. Trophs means nutrients. So own nutrients ಯಾರು prepare ಮಾಡೋದು? So plants. Then in this case animals and other organisms take food from the plant. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಫುಡ್? Animals and other organisms. Excluding plant. Plant ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ animals and other organisms which take food. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು food? Food from the plant. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that called as a heterotrophs. Hetero means it's depend. So depending nutrients. ಯಾವುದು? Example, human. Human is a name. Next one is other animals. Next one is the birds, etc. So these are the two modes of the nutrients. What are the modes? First one is organism which make food for themselves. Such organism is called as a autotrophs. It is very important. They will ask the definition of what is autotrophs and what is heterotrophs. Then what is heterotrophs? Animals and other organisms which take food from the plant. Such organism is called as a heterotrophs. What are the example for the autotrophs? Autotrophs main example is a plant. And what are the example for the heterotrophs? Heterotrophs example ಯಾವುದು? Human beings, animals, birds, then other organisms like insects, then etc. So these are the modes of the nutrition. Next, plant produced food. ಅಲ್ವಾ? You know already. Food ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? Plant. ಹೇಗೆ? using carbon dioxide, water, minerals, etc. So this food produced by plant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. How they produce? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, where it produced? It produce whole parts of the plant. ಈಗ plant ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ whole parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು some leaf, then it's flower, then it's some fruits, and it is the roots and stem. So it produce whole part of the plant. If plant in whole part ಅಲ್ಲಿ produce ಮಾಡ್ತದ? No, right? So it has a certain part they produce the food, and it transport from, how did they transport? How can it transport the food from one place to another? Since there is a certain way or certain method is there, we study in next class how plants produce the food and how they transport the food. Thank you. So in this class we studied nutrients. What nutrients? What are the nutrients? The components of the food. What are the components? Carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, etc. So what is the definition of the nutrients? The food contains components which are carbohydrate, fat, vitamin is called as a nutrient. The food have a components which are carbohydrate, vitamin, fat is called as a nutrients. So where it comes from the nutrients? Nutrients is produced from the plant. How? Because plant make food for themselves. The food is prepared by the plant, not an animals and other organism. The only food is prepared thing is organism is plant. So the plant is produced food. So nutrients is comes from the plant, right? Animal does not make food. Animal cannot make food, and it depends a plant indirectly or directly way. So animal depend food plant in direct or in the direct way or the indirect way. So next study mode of nutrition. So what are the mode of nutrition? First, plant. Plant produced carbon dioxide, water, minerals for preparing food. Plant ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? They gain. They not produce. They gain carbon dioxide, water and minerals. They gain the carbon dioxide, water, minerals from the environment or surroundings for preparing food. So food contain nutrients. How? Because it has a small components. Next, without nutrients we cannot live. Nutrients is must and important thing for all organism life process. Without nutrients they cannot live because they need energy. Where the energy is where is energy comes from? The energy is comes from the nutrients which are containing food. Nutrients ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? Food ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. So the nutrients is must and important thing for the all beings including human also. So what are the modes? There are two modes. First one is the autotrophs. What is autotrophs? The organism which makes food for themselves is called as a autotrophs. What is example for the autotrophs? Example is plant. The main only one example is there is a plant, because the plant only prepare the food. Next study, animals and other organisms take food from the plant, so it is called as a heterotrophs. Right? ಯಾವುದು food prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? heterotrophs. What are the examples? Example is human beings, animals, birds, insects, etc. So these are the main mode of nutrients. First one is autotrophs, second one is heterotrophs. So in next class we studied how plant produce food and how they transport the food. So this is important. You should read in your textbook. So thank you.